Hey, how's it going? This is Ryan at GoFab CNC, and I'm here at Shop Alpha today with Little Ryan and Jorge, and we're doing a test on some T1 structural steel. We have a potential customer that sent us this sample piece so we can see how well the PowerEdge does and how well the table does. This piece looks like it's right at 5/8 inch thick, and that's well within what the PowerEdge 80 is capable of. And keep in mind that all PowerEdges have 100% duty cycle at 100% power. First thing we'll do is select a metal thickness. We'll press to the right till we get to 5/8. And you'll see down here it says to use a 1.3 tip. We already put a 1.3 tip on the torch. And it says to set the PowerEdge to 80 amps. So we're going to use our PowerEdge remote amperage box and crank it all the way up to 80. Now we're going to open up a test cut file. We have a simple square that's built into the app, and it's 3 inches by 3 inches. So we're going to resize it to be 2 inches by 2 inches just so it takes up a little less space in the metal. We'll press the resize button, type in 2. Perfect. Alright, now we need to move the torch and tell the table where we want to start cutting, so we'll bring it down to the front. We're going to line it up right next to that other square that you see at the bottom left. You can see the torch coming into view on the tablet, and about right there is perfect. So we'll press the set program start button, this red button at the bottom left, and right here's where we're going to cut. And we'll close the controller screen. We're going to send the file information to the table. You'll see it changes to a play button. We'll press the play button, and on our confirmation screen it says 1.3 and 80 amps. We already did it. We are going to fire the plasma, and we're not using the mister on this cut. So let's hit play. And there it goes. Alright, perfect. Now it might be stuck to those slats that are below it, so it may not just fall out. We'll probably have to knock it out. And that piece is going to be super hot, so our magnets may not be able to grab it either because they have so much metal dust on them. But we'll get it up here so you can see it. There you go. There's the cut. Perfect. Looks awesome. And let's see what the slag looks like on the back. Awesome. There you go. That is a GoFab CNC plasma table and a PowerEdge 80 cut in 5/8 T1 steel.